Hello, Jeremy here from 3D Infotech with another reporting tip for you. I have this inspector project that's already completed. You see in my tree view, I already have my datums, my measurement objects, as well as some controls. And I could continue reporting this using a formatted report in Inspector. However, for this specific project, I need to take my reporting into Excel. And and it could be for a first article inspection, a PPAP, an AS9102, or other similar Excel formatted reports. PolyWorks offers a downloadable plugin for Excel. If I navigate to an Internet Explorer, go to mypolyworks.com, navigate to software downloads, specify the year of PolyWorks I'm using, and navigate to PolyWorks ReportLoop. There's an option to download the installer. I've already done that. And let me go ahead and open up my Excel template. After installing the ReportLoop plugin, you'll see that there is a ReportLoop tab under Excel. Let me go ahead and show the reporting tools and establish a connection to PolyWorks. And from here, you'll see the bottom panel will populate based on whatever I have highlighted in the tree view. And you'll see, in this case, the project properties and the values for those cells. So if I want to take some of these values and put them into these cells, I could select the desired cell, select the desired field, and press the Insert button. Let me repeat that for the part name, as well as for the serial number, which can be found on piece 1. Now, what about all those measurement objects? Well, under piece 1, you'll see all the measurement objects within that project. In my case, I made some control views, and I made one control view with all of the controls. Now, instead of doing this individually, where I have characteristic number 1 going to this cell, let me select a range here and insert that range starting over here. Let me do the same thing for the control. And let me do the same thing for nominal and measured as well. So you see, it's pretty easy to transfer information from your PolyWorks project into your Excel report. Thank you for watching.